So now we got our page 1 elevations all taken care of. We went down, we got our foundation. Page 2 is our foundation plan. Got all our dimensions done. Page 3 is our first floor floor plan. All the rooms are labeled, all taken care of there. This is second floor. We don't have a second floor on our house. So page 4 is cabinet elevations of all of our rooms in our place. So cabinets, bathroom cabinets, all those elevations. So we have to set those elevations up. So we're going to go into Revit, and I'm going to go into view up at the top, and I'm going to go on to level 1 plan, floor plan. So when I'm on a view and I want to make an elevation, I am going to go to elevation, and you'll notice what's happening here. It's got this little arrow going around on it, and this is the elevation view of the cabinets this way, and it automatically went over in my elevations, and it says elevation 1A. So I'm going to right click on that and hit rename and call that kitchen range wall. So as I come down here, I'm going to right click and hit new sheet, same dimension, it's A4 unnamed, and I'm going to take kitchen range wall and slide it on. Notice again, we have datums there. So if I double click on kitchen range wall, highlight those datums, right click, hide in view, category. And there is my kitchen range wall. Come back to here, and I can see my kitchen range wall. If I want to see more information, like here's the sink, I can't really see 2 walls. Go to kitchen range wall and click on the outside edge, and I can bring this over so I can see the wall in the window. I can bring this over so I can see the wall over here. So I can see my upper cabinets, kitchen range wall. And that's how I would go through the process to get elevations for each of my bathrooms and my kitchen sink wall.